Washington is on the verge of reopening with the help of vaccinations. The state is nearing its 70% vaccination goal, but tonight, the Washington Department of Health is urging patience as it tries to overcome vaccine hesitancy, among others. Mayor Kawash has been following this story. Mayor, how are unvaccinated people impacting the state's COVID data?
Well, Aaron, it's been a long-winded effort, and this tells us why right here. Now, people without a shot to this point are spreading these cases the most, especially with variants surfacing across the nation. Now, the good news is 67% of adults in Washington have their first shot, causing this curve right here to flatten. That was the goal all along, right? So this is just in Spokane County, and you can see it going down right here in recent weeks with fewer than 100 cases per day, even around 60 cases per day. Now, this shows us how close Washington is to being ready for a full reopening. Vaccinations are already making life feel a lot more normal, and more shots will allow Washington to completely reopen.
We're entering a phase in which we have a lot more control because of immunization and all the good work that has been done, but the virus is still out there.
Despite the end of this pandemic inching closer, health experts are urging people to be cautious until more people are vaccinated.
If you have 2/3 of the population that have received at least one dose, there's the other side of the equation, which is 1/3 of our population has not. And that means that is the area of focus.
We know the vaccines are working because Spokane County's two biggest hospital systems are treating fewer than 40 people combined for COVID-19 right now. And most of those people haven't been vaccinated.
They're becoming the vast majority of the cases that we see in the hospital. Specifically.
COVID-19 deaths are also down in Washington. The virus has killed 6 people in Spokane County in the last 2 weeks, one of which was in their 30s. That's why the health district is urging people to get vaccinated, and they're trying to do that with mobile clinics, bringing the shots to you.
You deploy and apply in the areas in which is most needed at a particular stage.
Now, there hasn't been an overwhelming number of people at those clinics so far, but the health district says even just a few shots go a long way.
You're not typically aiming for 1,000 people. You're typically aiming from 50 to 100.
Now, you could still walk in for your vaccine at the Spokane Arena until they close tomorrow at 5 p.m. And there are plenty of other nearby places giving shots too. Just head to kxly.com/vaccine. Reporting live in studio tonight, I'm Maher Kawash, 4 News Now.